Our goal today is to convince you that the world is a remarkable place and it's filled with wonderful ideas to think about and observe. And we're going to do this by trying to show you some things you've seen before and hopefully some things you've never seen before, including perhaps for some of the scientists in the room. So the three phases of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Yeah, it's clearly a liquid. Okay. When you agitated it, the whole thing became solid, right? So in the solid phase, everyone can just vibrate a little. Atoms vibrate in the solid phase. If you increase the temperature, you can move a little bit more. And when you can move a little bit more and you lose your bond sort of with your neighbors, you're a liquid phase. You can move a little bit more. And then if we increase the temperature enough, you become a gas phase and you can run all around. People aren't the only ones that like ice cream. In fact, dogs sometimes like ice cream. Okay. All right. I've never seen this done, so I don't know what's going to happen, actually. I'm a little worried. Oh, Janine looks great. All right, so there you go. All right, let's stop ignoring it. It's a huge mess. Okay, thank you, Janine.